Yeah, I think they're looking for their cow. Red light run, red light run. You're a super fucking red light run. Yeah.
This is a credibility enhancing display. This is a way to show my beliefs are so deep.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Hello.
Very nice to meet you.
Do you want to start by talking about this tweet?
Yeah, I do a lot of tweets, so. But I do remember this engagement, this back and forth. I am kind of allergic to the war.
Blinker would be nice.
And the idea that the way we look at
Good time to lose the rest of this belly fat here. You know, I got my fucking yoga mat. I was watching this video about like that. You know, I think I need to.
You can go now.
It's been a
You
while.
can go now.
And,
Yep,
I-
you got
it's
honked
like a
at.
bad thing. First of
Sucks
all,
to be you.
I found out if you go to like a yoga studio, you should be cleaning that thing. Greed and unchecked malice. The lunacy of ordinary people distracted by twinkling stars.
Why are you going, dude? Seriously.
This is the podcast. I think our resident philosopher, Smiley Zamph, can.
Then we will burn Utica to the ground.
I am frequently the one in our relationship for you right now, in particular.
Nice cut off.
Today, are you gonna, we should go for.
Alright, here we are at everyone's favorite stop sign in Utica that everyone ignores. Oh, that guy did it. Good job. You're the greatest. And you rolled. Hyundai. I wonder if someone stole that car. I don't know.
I guess the big cats versus the Rangers in the East.
You really do?
Yeah, I mean, Florida's gonna.
Messel left.
Maybe a little Vancouver in them as far as like.
Evidence that was presented in the indictment. But in any case, regardless of how that
He gets his due process
he
rights.
does. I can't help it.
Red light run. It's red. You're in the middle of the intersection like an idiot. Red. You come into the get bit. Come on.
That's another story for another day. There's a few other people who have.
Why are you moving over?
Biden was influenced by foreign money while he was VP. Meanwhile, Trump rented luxury condos in New York to 12 foreign governments. Kushner took $2 billion from the Saudis. China pumped $2 billion in
Yep,
cash.
exit
from
dive.
social media
I'll use that.
He's serious news. So, Jesus. Over the weekend, Donald Trump lashes out. His clock runs down on his $464 million.
Exit dive.
Trump memes explode. His deadline approaches.
Oh, nice cut off. Really? Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run. Yeah.
Southern border, September 19th, 2023. Lindsey Graham, the Biden administration implements
Really?
a open borders.
Maybe going to put you in an uncomfortable place, and I apologize for it, but I want to bring attention to one piece of her website. On her website, she says, this is the fourth paragraph on her About page. It says,
Really?
a Christian, wife, and mother.
Just women is woke.
Why are you bringing women to Star Wars? This is a guy's
Really?
show.
Really? Why the fuck would you drive that thing like that?
Why is it women? I
Straight from the left turn lane.
I cannot think of a single thing I would want his hot take on.
No turn on red.
The guy has...
Oh, for some reason I can't explain. I hope that... Turn your headlights on.
And loud and proud, and isn't that great? You're right. I think the difference between him and somebody like Milo Yiannopoulos, though, is Milo Yiannopoulos is a rhetorician.
Yeah.
So
Right
he
turn
sticks on
dive.
stage, say snarky shit, and he would get a...
Nice cut off.
Ever would they take that bet created on the... I don't like it at all. I think it's a gimmick. I don't know why they keep screwing with the game.
You can go. There's no stop sign here. We're turning in from the main
They
street.
should
There's
try
no
to
stop
use that.
sign.
We know that. Defenseless.
I'm going to find that like really, really inconvenient. That is the way if I was San Francisco, I would deal with it. That doesn't
No
mean
stop.
you won't get a big truck down there, but it's probably going to have to drive.
Nice cut off.
On a single breath. There was nowhere to go without some
Red
kind
light
of miracle
run.
many
Red light
or-
run. Red light run.
You can do that, and you can make a mountain jump into the ocean. Like, who is buying this shit?
Oh, there's a
I'm sorry,
cow on the
this
side of the
does
road.
sound like a secret. It turns out that no one in the entire world has one.
Hey, cow. Get off the road. Yeah, I think they're looking for their cow.
Welcome to World News Tonight. David Muir is out. I'm gone.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we are on I-81 south of Syracuse. It is rainy and windy and it's still April and we're in Tully. There's a truck restriction here in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. What the hell are you doing? Oh well, you're in the video. Sucks to be you. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Oh look, there's a sign that says that. I'm not making this shit up. Would I ever lie to you? Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Keep watching my stuff. Okay, bye!